Hi, we're Colin and Justin, international interior designers and property speculators, and we'd like to welcome you to the house that Cedar fixed.
Yep, welcome to Long Beach. What was once a very dated suburban feeling cottage is being slowly and surely transformed into a fantastic home for now and indeed the future, using our favourite lumber genus of all, Western Red Cedar.
Incredibly versatile, Western Red Cedar is your go-to timber. We're using it indoors and out, and we're going to show you exactly how it can enhance your property, how it can enhance its value, and how it can make life at the lake just so much better.
We are ramping up the whole wood adventure. First up, a wonderful log cabin addition, which is basically a Bunkie annex to the main cottage. It's going to be so atmospheric.
You cannot have a lakeside cabin without a screened sunroom. You've got to keep those bugs at bay. And ours is a beautiful cedar structure that really enhances our property. It gives us more space, a great place to go in the summer, and really makes this such a worthwhile experience.
Now they say you can say an awful lot about a man by the size of his deck. Ours is going to be 2,500 square feet wrapped around virtually every elevation, because bringing the outdoors in and the indoors out is super important for us. With a climate such as this, you want to be outside as much as you possibly can on that wonderful cedar platform.
Next up, we're going to show you some incredible pergolas. These beautiful cedar structures really add a natural, organic element to the architecture.
So our cedar adventure outdoors is all very well, but we're taking the woody fun inside too, with some penny groove cedar planking, which we're going to apply to every single ceiling surface.
So come and join us on a voyage of discovery as we explore the wonders of this incredible wood. We love our designs to be all about the feel-good factor, and it's especially important in a cottage. Think about it, this building is designed for good times. Studies have shown that bringing timber products into your home actually increases your connection with nature, makes you feel healthier and happier, and so in turn this room is actually designed to bring out the best in people. And isn't that what a design is all about? You know, Real Cedar is great in construction. It really brings something to a build. But in your interior design palette, it can really make a difference as well.